I have the OnePlus Nord CE6 and I'll show you in today's video how to enable or disable repair mode on this phone. Now, repair mode is a feature of OnePlus that keeps your phone safe when you take it to the repair shop, and it allows the one repairing your phone to repair the phone without you having to worry about the safety of your data or access to your data in any way. Now, you can simply place your phone in repair mode by going into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down and find system and update. So tap on system and update, and here you should see repair mode. Tap on that. So it's going to explain to you what repair mode is, and it's going to tell you that your personal information, including photos, videos, contacts, SMS messages, and chats, will be hidden, and the repair personnel will only be able to use basic functions necessary for troubleshooting. So tap on enter repair mode, and then you'll need to verify yourself using your lock screen PIN, password, or pattern. So enter it, and then confirm you want to enter repair mode, and your phone is going to restart in repair mode. So let's wait for that. And as you can see, it's switching to repair mode. It did show the pattern for a brief second, but as you can see, it's now in repair mode. And now if I go into something like photos, as you can see, it's going to show a blank photos app. So let's try that again. Tap on that. All your photos it's not going to allow the person to enter into the photos app or access any of your data. Go into my files. You'll also not be able to see any of your files because it's going to show blank files. Some of the apps are also going to be disabled and you're not going to be able to access them. Your messages are going to be safe. As you can see, no messages. It's going to show a brand new messages page. So also the same for your contacts, just like that. So to exit out of safe mode, all you need to do is either swipe down and tap on this to exit repair mode, or you can simply go back into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down to system and update, and then find repair mode, and you can tap on exit repair mode from here or from here. So tap on that, and as you can see there, it's going to bring you the same pop-up, and now you can exit out of safe mode, and your phone is going out of repair mode rather, and your phone is going to reboot normally. That's basically how to enable or disable repair mode on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this video is useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Any questions or comments you have, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.